devoured by 7 thin cows, and 7 healthy ears of grain, swallowed by 7 1/3 ears. What does this dream mean?
The answer is for God to know. The dream signifies 7 years of abundance and 7 years of famine. You should prepare for the lean times ahead.
You are wise beyond your years. From now on, you shall be in my right hand, overseeing the land of Egypt. Now come on, let's get some swear.
You may know me from being in the back of the church, I'm running the technical. But today, God has divinely repositioned me. Pastor of prayer. First off, I would like to thank the pastor and leadership of this church for this rare privilege to share the message of divine repositioning to greater heights. Today, we gather here to delve into the profound concept of divine repositioning. It is a notion deeply rooted in the fabric of our faith, and today, I will teach you how to strengthen the fabric of our faith from glory to glory. It's to change the position of, to readjust, or to reorganize. From this definition and the Bible text above, it is evident that God is in the business of relocating you and I from one unfavorable location you are in or the condition you are under to greater heights.